How to customize ChatGPT responses. So you might be thinking why it is needed to edit or customize ChatGPT response. So is it perfect tool? So as you know, it is an AI tool, so you cannot trust him. So you need to customize and edit its responses to suit to your needed. So let's ask him some questions. Write a short article on this topic, and then we are going to climate change 2023. So let's see what it responds. So as you can see, it is generating our response. So as you see it, ChatGPT has responded well, but it needs some editing and customization. So let's, for example, ask ChatGPT, are you trustworthy? So let's ask it. As you can see, as an AI language model, I don't have personal motivation, opinions, or intentions. My purpose is to provide information and assist user based on the data. You can see it is not an 100% accurate, so you need to edit its response. So we are going to copy its response, copy, and then paste it here. So we pasted a draft. Let's edit its response. So later on you can edit what do you like and what you don't. So here it is an title, and then it is an intro. You can add points, numbers, key points, dots, what you like. So you can read your draft and then remove if you don't like anything, and you can add further. So as you can see, it has generated a lot of paragraph. You can make shorter. So hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, drop down comments below, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.